Hey guys, it's Tom from Velocity. We're back in the showroom today, ready to take a walk around this certified pre-owned Pink Ford Bronco. The vehicle's just come back to us. The customer traded it in against another Bronco build. They're doing an equally cool color scheme. Haven't revealed it yet, but stay tuned on the website for that one. Let's take a walk around this truck. First thing to know, it's a certified pre-owned unit. So yes, it's been owned before, but it is like new. This is super low mileage for the customer. They really only used it as a weekend driver, and it's our certified pre-owned program. So what that means is you get all the benefits of a new Velocity Bronco. It's been re-inspected, it's been re-prepared. So you get 1 year bumper-to-bumper warranty on all of our certified pre-owned trucks. You get full inspection, you get normal detailing, normal preparation procedures. This is actually a really low mileage example. The customer only really used it to go back and forth from the shops, go and play around a golf, that sort of thing. So it's come back into us, ready for its next owner. Let's take a look around it, and of course the most striking thing, as on all Broncos, is going to be that paint job, and this one is particularly striking. This pink's a really nice pink. It's a Velocity pink. It's really kind of a baby pink, more of a kind of pastel pink with that Ranger package. Really, really nice color. So pink and white with the Ranger package, but the paint job, as on all of our vehicles, is just awesome. A couple more things then on the Ranger package. Of course, you've got white powder coated bumpers, you've got white grille insert on this one, white hood decal, and then down the side of the truck, we've got full white stripes. To complement those other white options, you've got Wimbledon white steelies, which are really, really awesome, white top for the Bimini top, white roll cage, and a full Ranger interior in white too, which we will talk about. I keep saying white. For those of you that know Wimbledon white, it is more of a cream and off-white. It isn't ice white, but that just gives it that extra detail. It's really, really special. Quickly touch on the underside of this vehicle before we go back to the front and look in the engine bay. This truck features a full Velocity Roadster Shop frame, so brand new frame underneath there, leaf spring in the back, coil in the front from our friends at Bilstein, and you've also got pink Raptor coating all the way on the underside of this truck and in the engine bay too. So the guys tinted the Raptor coating, the bed lining, in pink just to match the rest of those pink details. Really, really nice. Other exterior details are almost exclusively in chrome. So chrome side badging, chrome side mirrors, chrome door handles, chrome fuel cap, and other little bits of chrome elsewhere on the truck too. So pink, white, chrome, those are kind of the flavors of this truck. Let's take a look in the engine bay really quickly. And of course, it is a Velocity, and as such, it has a 5-liter Coyote. Again, this is a certified pre-owned truck, so we built this truck a little while ago, about a year and a half ago, and it has the second generation Coyote. Still a 5.0, still going to produce around 450 horsepower, and that's coupled to an automatic transmission. It is the 4R70, so the 4-speed. You've got the proprietary headers, the Serpentine system from Velocity. You've got Hydro boosted disc brakes all around this vehicle. Velocity front end as well, radiator setup, all of that normal good stuff. You've also got, as we mentioned on the underside, in the engine bay too, pink tinted Raptor lining. So just overall, lots of little details that have been thought of in the theme of this truck. All pink, it's all awesome. And of course, that engine is really serviceable as well. Any sort of Ford dealer, any mechanic really can work on this engine because it's so modern. Service intervals are not crazy, just once every year, all the normal stuff, just like owning a modern car. Just before we go over this amazing interior, one quick note, this vehicle does not have powered side steps. Not all of the vehicles came with side steps when we were making them, when making this truck. However, we can add it to this vehicle for you if you want. That's the same with the power windows. This vehicle doesn't have them. It has manual windows, but we can add those too. So manual windows on this truck. Interior is stunning. Just like the outside, we've got pink and white everywhere. So pink coming in, the paint, all across the dash, and the main feature of this interior is going to be the Ranger package again. So off-white seats with the Ranger inserts, you've got pink stitching to match the pink exterior, and something really cool we only do on the pink trucks because it's kind of off our brand guide, but it just looks awesome, is pink Velocity logos in the Bimini top as well as in the floor mats. And that floor mat, because it's a Ranger, is fully covering the transmission tunnel, so really, really nice. All right, let me hop in here and just show you all the little details we've got in this interior. And honestly, these seats are really, really comfortable. This material here is a bamboo weave for the inserts, so it's super breathable. We've got central lockbox, or cubby box as I would call it, that locks down. You've got USB-C, USB 3.0 charging. We've got 2 drinks holders. This pink stitch and the gear gate are really, really nice. And again, Ranger. So for the Ranger package, you also get this classic looking radio system. It is fully Bluetooth, it is modern, you can hook your phone up to it, it just looks vintage. AC in all of our trucks is standard, you've got wash wipe controls, wooden rim steering wheel, really nice, it's an automatic like we touched on. Just overall, really comfortable place to be. Ranger also features the inserts on the door cards, that's a lovely little detail. All in all, if you are, well, a lady or a man, but you just like pink, this is the truck for you. Really, really special truck. All right, guys, thanks for taking a walk around this pink Bronco with me. Certified pre-owned, so it's a slightly different price point to what you would normally have to pay to get one of our Ranger Broncos. It's in a really unique color. Again, normally we don't have pink Broncos like this. We typically either only ever have one, which is this one, or we only build them when the customer requests them. So really unique, perfect for summer. I love this truck, pink with the Ranger package, 5-liter Coyote, automatic transmission. What more could you want? Do, as always, give us a call, send us a text, Instagram DM, put an inquiry through the website. If you're interested, we can add some extra things on this vehicle too, so it doesn't have the powered steps, but we can add those on. Lots of features, lots of other things we can do with this truck. Honestly though, if it was mine, I'm not sure I'd change it. Maybe I would add those power steps, but other than that, it's a lovely spec. Please get in touch if you're interested.